For set up your account, just tap your smart card on your smartphone or scan the QR code. When you tap your smart card for the first time, you'll be redirected to the registration page on your phone. Fill in all the mandatory fields, and you'll be redirected to the dashboard. Here is where the magic is. You can add all the information you want to share with your prospects here. Like you can add your personal contact details, official contact details, social media links, payment links, YouTube videos, podcast and your app download link and many more. For making the dashboard simple, we divided all details in sections Y so you can add details by selecting the sections according to your requirements. So let's fill up the details quickly. You can add your location or your office or home address also. You can add your social media links in social media account section. So let's fill up the details quickly. You can add your payment details here. You can add your YouTube channel link and your podcast link here. Also you can add any custom link here which you can give custom name. You can view your profile that how it is look. And you can edit your profile also. You can add multiple profile by clicking on the Add Profile button. Now your card is ready to use. Just tap or scan on your prospect's phone, and boom, your details are shared. See how simple, cool and easy it is?